Outside of her, the 66 of Ashley Matz and the 18 car of Shauna Myers. Coming to the flag, it's in the air, green flag, and we're racing on America's birthday party here at the Rockford Speedway. Ashley Matz in the 66 to the early lead. The battle for second behind. Trish in the 32, Meyer in the 18. The 7 car. Way out back. Shauna Myers in that 18 car. Breaks from the 32 of Cassidy Frisch. Meyer way up high in turns 3 and 4. Opening the door for Cassidy Frisch. Meyer high again in 1 and 2. Tire going down or something on that 18 car. The white flag flies, this time high. Ashley Matz. That 66 car. And to the checkered it is Ashley Matz, Shauna Myers, Cassidy Frisch, and the 7 car. Well, we got started a few minutes there late tonight, but quite a little storm developed here this afternoon. Kind of the pattern here this time of year with the high humidity, cold fronts, and things moving in and out of the area. But glad you all made it to the Rockford Speedway.